Let's solve this Olympiad equation together. It says 5 raised to the power x is equal to 40,000. We are required to solve for x in this equation. Okay. Now, first thing to say here is that if you notice this number looks very large, okay, but I'm going to show you guys a very easy steps to this in less than 10 seconds. Alright. Now, first thing to do is to think what are the multiples of this number here. So if I write out 40,000, for example, okay, so 40,000. What are the multiples? I have 64 and I have multiplied by 625. Okay, I multiply these two things, I'm going to get 40,000. Now, I'll go ahead and replace this for 40,000 in this expression. So I have 5 raised to the power x to be equal to 625 multiplied by 64. Now, I can re-express these two numbers. So this can be written as, so I have 625 as 5 raised to the power 4, okay, multiplied by 64 on the other hand can be written as 2 raised to the power 6, okay. Now, this is equal to 5 raised to the power x. Now let's say the logarithm of both sides. So you have the logarithm of 5 raised to the power x is equal to the logarithm of 5 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 6, okay, all in bracket like this. Now, what I want you to do here is, instead of you to take the logarithm in base 10 to make your work look more rough, you want your work to look more precise. That's why you're going to take the logarithm to base 5, okay. This is very good to do in exams. Now, we have logarithm of 5 to base 5 raised to the power x. When you have something like this, you multiply this power with the log, okay, just a log you have to know. I know it looks weird, but you multiply this power with the log. Now we have that this is x. Now we have logarithm of 5 to base 5, and this will give us something very interesting. I'm going to come to this in a second. But for this side, you split this up. When you see multiplication, you split up. So we have logarithm in base 5 of this first one here is 5 raised to the power 4. Now instead of multiplication, you're going to have plus, okay, logarithm in base 5 of 2 raised to the power 6, okay. Now for here, we have logarithm of a number to its own base. So logarithm of 5 to base 5 is 1. 1 times our x will give us x to be equal to, this other side, you have logarithm of 5 to base 5 raised to the power 4. Again, you multiply this power and the log, just a log. Now 4 times, logarithm of 5 to base 5 is 1. So that's 4. Plus, this will now become 6 multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 5, okay. Sweet deal. So this now becomes the answer of x in this question. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.